It's gold in the fridge. A workspace for everybody. A coffee station for coffee drinkers. Clay stuff for clay types of people who do this. You can glaze your cat here. You can make this cloud bowl here. You can use several types of brushes at Gold in the Fridge. Or play this noise equipment to make sounds. You can organize different types of chords at the fridge. Or you can organize different types of cords and lamps way up high next to these French fries. You can use these antiquated motors that are always off at Gold in the Fridge. They control this big door next to some cardboard. Beep, 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 put out the fire, part 2. And here at Gold in the Fridge, things come complete with their own big-ass restroom. Come on in and take a piss. We even have one of those wall toilets and a fancy shower.